Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to move your assets around, like transferring Chainlink from Uphold to your Coinbase wallet. This process is straightforward, but it's always good to follow the right steps to avoid any hiccups. Today, I'll walk you through it step by step, so you can do this confidently and securely. First things first, make sure you have both Uphold and Coinbase wallet apps or websites ready. Start by logging into your Uphold account. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard and find your Chainlink holdings. Look for the Wallets or Assets section. It's usually easy to spot. Next, select your Chainlink tokens. Click on the Withdraw or Send option. This might say something like Send or Transfer Out. Now, you'll need to enter the destination address. Head over to your Coinbase wallet app or site and copy the receiving address for Chainlink. Double-check that it's correct because crypto transactions are irreversible. Back in Uphold, paste that address into the To field. You'll also see a field for the amount. Enter how much Chainlink you want to send, but remember to leave enough for any network fees. In 2025, fees might vary based on blockchain congestion, so keep an eye on that. Review all the details carefully, then hit Confirm. You'll likely get a confirmation code or email, so verify that before proceeding. Once the transaction is initiated, it might take a few minutes to a few hours to process, depending on the network. Head back to your Coinbase wallet and refresh to see if the Chainlink has arrived. If everything goes smoothly, you're all set. In conclusion, transferring Chainlink from Uphold to Coinbase wallet in 2025 is a simple way to manage your crypto. Always prioritize security. Use two-factor authentication and double-check addresses. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay savvy with your investments.